Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. I know that you have these questions in your mind, so don't worry. I'm here to help you. I'm going to tell you a very simple English. What is important to speak in English? Only one thing. It is vocabulary. If you know the vocabulary, if you have saved vocabulary words in your subconscious mind, or you are reading everyday vocabulary, learning every day, so whenever wherever you are, you will definitely going to speak in English confidently, because only one thing you need is vocabulary, but you need other things also, which I will tell you in my video later on. But let's start today's video with some interesting vocabulary words. So the first word for the day is coop. COUP, and the pronunciation is cool. Okay. Now the time of meaning. Brilliant victory. Okay. Winning a gold medal at the Olympics was a real coup for skinny. Okay. First of all, I will tell the word, then the pronunciation, then the meaning, and after that, I will tell you the sentence. So next word is covent. The spelling is Covenant. Solomon Agreement. We signed a covenant in which we promised never to drive Harry's father's car into Murphy's living room ever again. Co- covert or covert. Secret hidden. To be covert is to be covered. Covet. Wish for enviously. To covet the neighbor's wife is to want the neighbor's wife for thyself. Next word. Credulous. 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 Eager to believe. The credulous postal patron believed that he had won $1 million from Publishers Clearinghouse. Criterion. 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 Standard basis for judgment. When Garfield judges a meal, he has only one criterion: is it edible? Next word. Cryptic. Mysterious. Eleni's remarks were cryptic. Everyone was baffled by what she said. Culinary, relating to cooking or kitchen. A cooking school is something sometimes called a culinary institute. Culminate, Culminate, climax. Suzanne's years of practice culminated in a great victory at the International Blow Ball Championship. So, we have completed the words for the day. But what I really believe is these are not enough. You need to do some other things also, like reading. Read every day any book, whatever book you like. But you should read the book. Like I love to read the books of Thich Nhat Hanh. He's a great writer. I love to read his books. You can also read any book, whatever you like. If you like Chetan Bhagat, you can read their books. You like Amish Tripathi, you can read fiction books. But reading is very important. Now everyone has a smartphone, and we in a smartphone has a Google Play Books. So you can go on the Google, find out the book, and you can read. So reading is very important. Another thing I would like to tell you is listening exercise. If you have your smartphone, download the application of YouTube in your smartphone and watch the English news like BBC, CNN, France 24, Al Jazeera. There are the so many Fox News, ABC News. There are the so many English news channels. You can watch any news channel, because when you see someone to speak in English, so you will learn. Another thing you can do is practicing English speaking. Stand in front of mirror and try to speak on a topic at least for 10 minutes, or Speak in English with your friends or wherever you are going, but only speak with these people, those who can understand English, because that is very, very important. So if you do these things day by day, you will definitely going to improve your confidence, you will improve your fluency. So if you will do your consistent practice, nobody can stop you to become a good English speaker. Because when you got a chance to speak somewhere, giving a speech in English, so you will definitely going to speak in English with confidence anywhere. So, what I believe, that is enough for you for today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.